Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little while since I filmed a video, but I have a bag to show you that I'm super excited about. So that's why I'm filming this tonight. I went to the Michael Kors outlet on Thursday and finally bought myself a Selma. I have been looking at this bag and wanting this bag for quite some time. I could never find one that was in my price range, or I couldn't find one that I liked that was a color that I liked, or what have you. So when I came across this beauty at the outlet for $99, I had to snatch it up. So this is in the color cement with the silver stud detail, and I absolutely love it. I think it's beautiful. This bag is the medium Selma satchel, and it has the top handles that you can carry it by hand or in the crook of your elbow, and it has the long crossbody strap, which is what I use most of the time. If I'm just grabbing it from the seat of the car or something, then I'll grab it by the handles, but otherwise I use the crossbody strap. This bag, you guys, oh my gosh, this bag holds so much more than you would think based on its size. And it has some interior organization, but mostly it's just a center hole that I can fill it with stuff. There is, I don't know if you can see this or not, and I know that the camera is washing this color out and you guys can't see this, but there's a zip pocket on the inside and a slip pocket on the front. This color, again, it's cement. It's a light gray, I guess I would call it. Maybe a creamy gray with a little bit of taupe undertone, maybe. Anyway, you guys, I'm obsessed with this bag. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful, and I'm so happy that I finally found one that I liked in a color that I liked. So let me adjust you just a touch so you can really see the whole thing. There we go. So this is the front view. Here's the side, the back, and again, no slip pockets on the back. It's just the interior. And this is this side. Okay, I need to get this video going before I run out of time. So we're going to take a look at what is inside my bag. First thing here on top are my keys on a bracelet key ring. Makes it easier for me to keep up with them. I have an external charger for my cell phone with a cord attached. I have my Coach card case. In here I have my insurance cards, our Sam's Club card, and my daughter's library card. Cards that are important but don't fit in what I'm using as my wallet. Next I have my Coach round coin case with my Bluetooth wireless headphones inside. I have a Coach change purse with coins inside. I just realized that most everything inside my bag is from Coach. That's hilarious. I didn't even realize that until just now. This is a small Coach pouch that I picked up at the outlet the other day as well. I want to say this is a Nolita, but I can't confirm for sure because I can no longer find the tag. I took it off and I can't find it. But I'm using this as a catch-all down inside my bag. And so in here I have my Beauty Blender Blotterazzi, my pill case, Victoria's Secret Heavenly Rollerball Perfume, a Tide to Go stick, a pen, a glass nail file, and another pen, a lip balm. This is the Fresh Sugar lip balm that's upside down. Sorry about that. And then in the back pocket of this little bag, I just have some lens cleaning wipes for my phone or my glasses, whichever. In the back zip pocket, I have my business card case with appointment cards in it, my mini first aid kit that I've shown in all of my videos. It has Band-Aids and Neosporin in it, a pair of clippers, and my purse hook. Just goes like this. You can hang it on the table. And a pair of tweezers. Down in the bottom of my bag, it's slipped down to the bottom, I have what I'm using currently as a wallet. This is a card case-ish wallet from Coach. The front pocket has my driver's license. On the back, I have my debit and credit cards. There's a slot here where you could put cash or extra cards. And then inside the zipper pocket, I have 2 Sephora gift cards and 2 credit slips to our local used bookstore, where I like to get books for my daughter. So this is really conveniently sleek and small and doesn't take up a lot of space, which is good because I also have another bag that I picked up at the outlet that is much smaller than this is and that fits in there beautifully. So the last thing in my bag in the front slip pocket on this front wall is my cell phone. I just got a new phone. It's the, you can't even see that, can you? It's the LG Stylo 5. I really like this. It's a much bigger phone than my old phone. Much, much bigger. So it's taking some getting used to the size. But I have on it a very cute phone case that has cacti all over the back. And I just think it's so cute. I love it. I know it's silly, but I think it's cute. And the phone is pink. The color's called Blonde Rose, but come on, it's like a rose gold. It's pink. I could not resist the pink phone. I had originally planned on getting the Stylo 4 in the lavender, but they didn't have it. And the Cricket employee, we have Cricket service because it's cheaper and it's just as good as any of the big carriers and much less expensive for my husband and I. This is not sponsored by Cricket, by the way. I've just been very pleased with their service, and their customer service is awesome. But the associate that I was talking to sucked me into the pink phone. She just said, this is so you. This is a perfect phone for you. So she got me. But I do love it. I do love the color. I think it's really pretty. And I'm really liking the phone. It's just taking some getting used to. So that's everything that's inside this bag. I love it. I think it's beautiful. It holds a ton. As you saw, a lot came out of this bag. To be the medium-sized satchel, a lot came out of here. So I am a huge fan of this bag. I'm so happy I finally have this in my collection. I'm glad that I finally found one in a color that I liked at a price that I liked. I was very particular about what I was willing to pay for this bag because you guys have probably figured out from my channel that I am not running around paying full price for bags. I just don't. I buy my bags at the outlets, or I buy them at TJ Maxx, or I buy them online from Poshmark or Mercari. I don't pay the full price for these bags. This is the tag that was on the bag. I don't know how well you can see that, but that price at the bottom says $428, which I did not pay for this bag. I would rather eat broken glass than pay that much money for a bag. So to have scored this beauty for $99 was amazing. So that's the Michael Kors medium Selma satchel. I love it. I'm obsessed with it. I'm very excited to have it. I'm going to keep smacking it through the rest of the video, apparently. Don't mind me. It's Saturday. It's been a long day and I'm in kind of a punchy mood. So just don't mind me. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed seeing what I'm carrying around inside this beauty. And I hope that you guys will come back, watch more videos, like the content that you enjoy, subscribe to my channel, join this bag obsessed bunch of people that I have accumulated on YouTube so far. And I hope that you guys have a fantastic day. I'll see you next time. Bye.